Now after understanding the various concept of cost, we have to go through the important formulas of cost. Right, the cost is a very important topic numerical wise, so you have to solve a lot of numericals from this topic. Simple formulas are applied here. First formula is TC is equal to TFC plus TVC, or from the same formula you can derive TFC is equal to TC minus TVC, while TVC is equal to TC minus TFC. Second, average cost or average total cost is equal to total cost upon output. Then from the same formula you can get total cost is equal to average cost into output. Then average fixed cost is equal to total fixed cost upon output. From the same formula you can get total fixed cost is equal to average fixed cost into output. Average variable cost is equal to total variable cost upon output, and total variable cost is equal to average variable cost into output. Marginal cost at n is equal to total cost at n minus total cost at n minus 1. From the same formula you can get total cost at n is equal to marginal cost at n plus total cost at n minus 1. And from the same formula you can get total cost at n minus 1 is equal to total cost at n minus marginal cost at n. See, this formula you have to understand and you have to use it very judiciously, very carefully and smartly. It will be a little tricky whenever it will be in the form of question. If you remember the use of this formula, then every numerical will become easier for you. Right? Obviously all are important, but this one is little tricky. You have to think and then apply it. Then one more thing, that you start from the zero level of output. Why? Because TFC is present even when output is 0. Also you have to remember that at first level TFC is equal to TC minus MC. Only at the first level TC minus MC is equal to TFC, and at the 0 level also remember TC will be equal to TFC and it will not be equal to 0. It can never be 0. Right? These are the important formulas that you will need to use while solving the numerical of cost, and it is advised that you solve all the numericals which you can find in your book, so that you have a good practice of it, because they may be asked in the board examination. And these are last 2 points, they are actually for your benefit, that you have to remember it. You always start from the 0 level of output because the TFC is present. If there is no TFC in that question, then you can start from first level. At the last point, at the first level, total cost minus marginal cost will tell you the total fixed cost. Always remember their behavior. Total fixed cost will remain constant, and others you have to apply the formula. Roll the